Thanks for joining us in our hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in all four main color options. This is the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium black color option. You can't tell, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra has a slightly larger 6.9-inch display. There's nothing on the left side, just a solid titanium frame. At the bottom, you will find the USB Type-C port, together with the S Pen and SIM tray. According to Samsung, the Galaxy S25's S Pen no longer supports Bluetooth connectivity. That means you can no longer use it for air actions or as a remote control for the cameras. On the right side, you will find the power and volume control buttons. There's nothing at the top except for two microphone ports. At the back, you will find a quad camera combination of a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5 times optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. In the front, you will find a 12-megapixel camera in a display punch hole, It's hard to make out, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra has 15% thinner bezels compared to the S24 Ultra. Now, let's take a closer look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium silver blue color option. While it looks like a plain metallic gray color, it actually has a nice bluish or purplish tint. The titanium frame is now flattened, instead of curved like in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see, the new S Pen is color coordinated to match the device color. The flat titanium frame really gives the device a nice solid look and feel. The only camera upgrade is its new ultra-wide camera, which has a 50-megapixel sensor and a wider f1.9 aperture. The other cameras remain the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The front camera also remain unchanged from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium gray color option. It has a slight yellowish or golden tint, which is how you differentiate it from the titanium silver blue color. The display is protected by Gorilla Armor 2, while the back is protected by Gorilla Victus 2. The new S Pen is slightly longer than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Bluetooth S Pen. While you can insert that shorter Bluetooth S Pen, it won't eject. There is also no ability to pair the Bluetooth S Pen with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, which means it will withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Finally, let's take a look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium white-silver color option. As you can see, it is a nice pastel white color. Internally, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by a customized Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip and has 12 gigabytes of memory. You get the same internal storage options of 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and a whopping 1 terabyte. However, everything else remained the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has the same 5,000 mAh battery and the same wired and wireless charging capabilities. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.